I think we are live here. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, we are live. Let's just see. Just a minute. Okay. So this will be for future me, I think. And maybe if you are a beginner, you can also learn with me or create these type of exciting projects, or at least you can try to create these projects as I'm doing here. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, let me explain what I'm going to attempt here. I want to create a chatbot that takes inputs from user. Let's just say that takes inputs from user and make database queries, and also returns the result of these queries. So let's just say we have this chatbot here, and here we have our user. I think someone who is really frustrated. Now, what we want to do, let's just say this user is us, and we want to this user want to create a query, SQL query that sounds like this. That just sound like that look like this, like select everything from let's just say my test db dot let's just say my test table where id is 1. So this user wants to make this query. So what we will going to do, this user will ask this chatbot in a very frank manner. You can say, like, pardon my English if I'm wrong. So this user will ask this chatbot in a very frank manner. Let's say, hey there, I want to search from a table. I want to search from a table in my database. So for now, this chatbot will only support SQL databases, and for as soon as we ascend or develop this more, we will be going to add more databases like NoSQL databases, MongoDB, DynamoDB, and many more. So for now, it will be only SQL databases like MariaDB and MySQL. So then this chatbot will ask that based on this user query, the chatbot will ask, okay, so which table do you want to in which database you want to search for. So user, in which database you want to search, or you can say like of which db table you want to search. So that this will be our chatbot response, and the user response for this will be, let's say, this is all just a sample. So it can be many types of user queries. So let's just say the user responds back here. The user will say, I want to search in my test db. So this will be okay. Then our chatbot will respond back here with okay, which table. Okay, which table? So yeah, then this conversation goes on, and in this next conversation user will tell the table name that he wants to search data in. This will be our table name. So yeah, that's how I want to create a chatbot here. But again, this will be for first this will be going to be a very lengthy process, but but as we go further we will be going to improve our user experience and make this make the query creation very quick. So let's get started. So I've done my research here using ChatGPT, and I've got some pretty good answers, and so we will be trying to do we will be trying to do these things here. So first of all, ChatGPT suggested me to use NLP compromise package. So let's just install this. First of all, let's go to our VS Code editor. So I have this decent server set it up here. So first of all, we will be going to install our dependency. First, that will be, let's just say, so that was NLP compromise. So it's installing it here. Okay, done. That was very quick. So as we can see here, it using it this way. So we will be going to use that also. So let's just require our dependencies here, NLP manager. Then it created a new manager here. Okay, so it created an object here, NLP manager, then language, then en. So I think that means the user will ask query in English. Okay, got it. So yeah, so let's just create a route for app.get request response, and so we have our manager created here. So we will be moving it from there to here, and so manager dot, I think this will be our sample. I want to search something. I want to search something in MySQL database, and or something like create a search query, I think. Okay, so we had to add intent also. So I think we will call it this intent query dot search, and we will call this intent query dot search also. So first of all, we will be working on different types of intents. So I've already categorized them. We will be having, I think for this project I will be having a search. First of all, a search intent, then a creation intent or table inspection, and third one will be table inspection, or I think so let me check what I named it. So third one will be inspector intent. So yeah, let's just do this, and or we are going to add answers also. Manager dot add answer. Query dot search. Sure. Which database would you of which sure of which database. So yeah, add answer, and we'll do it manager dot train, then okay, then let's just print this response here, const response. So we have to make this a same const response. So create a search query, and yes dot send message, then response. Think that is enough. So let's just start our application. So first of all, let's install node so we don't have to like, I think we should install node so that we can we can implement hot reload on our Node.js application. So every time we just make some changes, our Node.js server starts automatically. So npm inodemon, then install it, then go to package.json, then create a start query and nodemon server.js. So go here and start npm start. So we have something valid main query express.js. I think I have missed something here. npm I main entry. I think I have missed something here. Let me check. Okay, so I think I've made a silly mistake here. I had to just install Express, not Express.js. My bad. Sorry guys. So yeah. Okay, npm start. Okay, so I think we again missed something here. Bot server.js, module not found. Line number 4, which one is it? NLP manager, require node NLP. I think we should create another terminal also. So in one we can just perform our operations, and the other one we can check our server console, localhost server console. Okay, it's installing. I think this is going to take a while. Let's just wait. Okay, it's done, and our port. So we just started on port 3000. So let's go on our 3000 port. So I think we got something here. Message. English classification log. Intent none. Okay, somehow we got our intent none. But why? Create a search query. I think our NLP bot is not trained much here. But why? I think we missed something again here. Manager or process. So okay, so we got something in our console also. Let's just make a split screen here and the other screen here and see it in our console. Okay, so we got our input type. Okay, English intent again none. Okay, let's just I think we should ask ChatGPT what's going on here. So this is my code and I am getting intent none. Why? Let's just copy this also and paste it here. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, then we just ask ChatGPT to create a training data. Sometimes I'm really worried that this ChatGPT is going to eat our jobs. Okay. Okay, Okay, so it's going for other intents also. Okay, let's just copy for this. Okay. Okay, copy this here and let's just print this here. Let's see what do we get here again. None. Find out customer who live in California. Intent none. So I think we should ask it here. Got this response. Okay, it's going to be a lot harder than what I think, but still we will be going to create this somehow and make it work. Search or find all products. Okay, then fix it. Let's see what it will do, and we will try our intent again. None. Nope, none. Let's see. Back up the database. Okay, why it's not working? Language increase, intent none. I think I'm using Node NLP. Okay, so here we have Node NLP here. Let's just go in here and check for the install. I'll recreate the code. Okay, so quick start, add document. Okay, NLP.train. Okay. So we have to make this asynchronous also. So yeah. Okay. Okay, it's working now. So we have to make this asynchronous also, so that nothing runs before this promise is fulfilled. So when it's fulfilled, so what do you want to do? Sure. Okay, got it. So let's just go back here and see what we got here. So yeah, so it's ChatGPT suggested to extract the entities parameters from our database and const food item from it, and entities 0 and then option. Let's see what we got here. Food item, then just okay, select search query. Okay. Yeah, let's go here and reload our page. So we got something here, as I think we are getting some error here. Option. So yeah, for now let's just get our entities. What entities we are getting here. Reload. So we are getting message, an empty array, so response, and query.search. Okay, intent, query.update, query.admin. Okay, message log. JSON beautifier plugin. Explanation token exact. Okay, intent, query.admin intent. Okay, score, we are getting score 1 here, as it will be admin. Back up the database, so it will be an admin. Intent. Okay, so what if I answers? Sure, what do you want me to do? Okay, so we are going to ask something else. Create a search query. So let's see what we will be going here. So score this query.update, query.search. So I think we had to train it more to understand each user input. So and put it in over the intent. So put it in over the intent. So manager dot add document, then en, then create a search query, and then query dot search. Let's just do it here also. Okay, so yeah, it's score 1 now. So query dot search, and so which table should I search? So yeah, we are getting close here. So let's just say we want this to be for now we want this to be a step-by-step process. So if user asks, create a search query, and it recognizes the intent for this query.search. So our next step would be to extract user inputs from a particular intent. So let's just see what we can do here. So we have this one. So let's just ask ChatGPT. So I have created Node.js and NLP bot, and it is recognizing the user input and putting it in a worthy intent. Now I want to make a step-by-step approach. Let's say that I want to extract user approach for each intent. Implement the steps, write the code for each step, making sure to handle any errors and exception. You can use external API or database to test the bot, test your bot, make sure it's refined. Refine the approach. Define the step for each intent. Okay, refine the approach. Okay. So let's just forget ChatGPT for it. So how to check, how to verify that user has that user is giving some input in text in Node NLP. Let's say user enters. So I really don't have much idea about this NLP library, so I think I had to use ChatGPT. So let's say user enters, I want to search named users. Now how will I going to extract user input. Let's see. It will be going, it's going to be dynamic. Maybe user can also ask that searching table users or search query for table users. So yeah, I think in this example we are going to extract the table name. Okay, so here we can I think we can extract our table name with this example. Okay, table en define entities to extract. Okay, so let's just understand this piece of code here, and okay, so search for all. Okay, so I think I got that. What I have to do, table order solves for table I think sure, I think I had to be really creative with this. whole thing just can easily blow up. Okay, so yeah, let's go here. So I can create a so search in table users. So I'm going to do the manager.process. So yeah, this process is same and constant and intent response dot intent, then const table name is. So yeah, I had to also create entities here. Define entities to extract, then manager dot add entity, then table, then en, I guess, language, users. This will be, I think, inputs, type of inputs, or orders, products, organization. I think this will be a sample data. Let's just see it in docs. Add entity node NLP. Okay, so we got nothing here. So let's just see. We have load and save, Microsoft contributors, license, build entity, extraction. Okay, so yeah, I think we have here something. To have something here. Arabic. Okay. So we have build entity, extraction, email, URL that is not supported by duckling. Then your manager includes entity extraction. Okay, Chinese. Extractor, data extractor. Okay. Let's see. Or add entities. Okay. LP add entity. Okay, I think I got a pretty much good idea. So let's just see what this input is taking. Okay, add entity. I think this is a method here. This is not supposed to be here. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. Yeah, table name, then response dot entities dot table, then response dot entities dot table 0, then option or not. Okay, then we have entities here, response. Let's see, then table name and table name. So let's see, are we getting some error? So no, for now no errors. Reload this page and we are getting an error here again. Products. Manager.add entity is not a function. Okay, let's just copy paste it here and let's see what happens now if we are getting an error again. Okay, so manager.add entity is not a function. Why? Okay. Okay, named entity instead. Okay. Where is it? Okay, so let's see. Add named entity. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Again, we are getting an error. Okay, so again an error. Okay, let's just comment this part out and see what happens without it. So yeah, okay, now let's just reload our page. Query.search, search entities, no entities. Festival service anticon. Okay. NLP.js entity extraction. Let's see what do we got here. Entity extraction, and let's see what do we have here. Open questions. Nope. Let's see what do we have. Entity extraction. Okay, so it's built in it. Let's just go here. Okay, repositories. These are all repositories. Entity. number extraction, so I think we have to use duckling here to I think to extract entities from our user response. So 120 quantity extraction, amount of money extraction, date extraction. Okay, so I don't think we have something like custom entity extraction. Okay, so and we have to search the NLP.js custom entity extraction. Let's see. Doc read doc test. Okay. Patterns. No. Let's ask again. ChatGPT. I want to extract custom entities like table name using NLP.js. Let's see. Sure. Sorry. Okay, let's add this one here. Let's see any progress. So yeah, we are getting one progress here. Okay, so yes, we are able to get entity also here. That will be table and option user source tag users utterance text. Okay, so entity will be table. Finally something. So let's, so what do we so wrap this up. So let's wrap this up here for now. So what did we, so what things we achieved today? We created our first chatbot response based on their intents, and we trained our chatbot for search queries. This will be in step by step. I think I should go for a step by step process. So first of all, I will perfect the search queries, then I will go for the create queries, then I will improve, and last but not least, I will improve inspection queries. So yeah, we created our first chatbot response based on their intents. We trained our chatbot for search queries. Then we are able to extract the entities from the user queries. I think we will be this attempt of creating our first chatbot database management chatbot is not going to be a total waste. So for now, I was able to understand what is NLP.js and how can I train it for creating AI chatbots that uses NLP. So yeah, I think for the next stream I will be going to handle the intents. Create first DB search query and handle the errors and responses. So yeah, this will be pretty much it. thank you guys for watching. I know no one is watching here, but this is for me and I think future me. So yeah, sayonara. Let's see what we can achieve in by creating this chatbot. Bye.